Hello, friends. My name is Sparky, and welcome back to Sparky's Science Time. Today, we are going to do a super cool trick. It looks like real, but guess what? It's not magic at all. It's science, and science is even better than magic, because you can do it too. Today's experiment is, can you guess? Think. Okay, I'll show you. I'm racing these ice cubes to see which one melts first. All we need is 2 ice cubes, 2 plates, and some salt. Plate 1 gets no salt, just a plain ice cube, all by itself. Plate 2 gets a big sprinkle of salt right on top. Let's see what happens. Now we just watch and wait. Which one's gonna win?
Plate 1 barely melted at all. Still pretty solid.
Whoa! Look at plate 2, Pat. It's almost ALL melted already. Same exact ice cubes, but the salty one melted so much faster. Salt actually messes up how ice likes to freeze. It makes the ice melt even when it's still really cold. I hope you had as much fun as I did, Finn. Don't forget, you can try this at home with a grown-up's help, okay? And remember, science is everywhere. You just have to look for it. This was Sparky saying bye-bye, and I'll see you in the next experiment. Stay curious, my friends.